Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable LinkedIn document uploads for portfolio credibility. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To enable document uploads on LinkedIn for your portfolio, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture at the top of the homepage. Once on your profile, scroll down to the featured section. If you do not see the featured section, you may need to add it. To add featured, click on the Add Profile section button located near the top of your profile. Select Recommended from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Featured option to enable the section. Now that the featured section is visible, locate the plus sign icon or Add button within that section. Click on the plus sign to start the document upload process. Choose the media option from the available selections. A prompt will appear, allowing you to upload documents from your computer. Select the file you wish to upload. Ensure that the document is a supported file type, such as PDF, DOCX, or PPTX. After selecting your document, click on Open to upload it. Once the document is uploaded, you can add a title and description. This information will help viewers understand your document's content and purpose. Make sure to highlight key achievements or skills within the description. After populating the title and description, click Save to finalize your upload. Your document will now appear in the featured section of your profile. Review your profile to ensure the document displays correctly. This will enhance your portfolio credibility and showcase your work effectively. Consider updating your featured documents regularly to keep your profile fresh and engaging. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.